All right, so you have to remember my kids are 3, 5, and 7 right now. So we have graduated to some sideways facing, like spine out books. But we still do have some baskets of forward facing. These are the books that they got over the Christmas holidays. So all their new books are right here. I've got nonfiction on one side, fiction on the other, kind of combination of in the middle. More forward-facing books. I do have toys in our library, and the reason that I've got toys in here is because if they're not feeling like reading, they can play and I can read, and it usually gives them a bit more stamina. Over here, very close by, but in the hallway, these are my 2 dedicated baskets. You've seen me unload these a lot from the library. These are our library books. They always sit in the hallway. We've got a sofa, I've got a beautiful lamp, a picture that I have not yet hung in over a year, a rocking chair, and a little carpet. Super cozy.